Smell the fermentation really strongly when you open the bag usually. This is nothing. I managed to mess it up and there's only 2 ingredients. All right, I guess we'll be having some flatbread tonight. It got rendered down a bit. Ooh, I think I overdid that a little bit, but that'll still work. That's good. The outside's all crunchy and tastes like rosemary and salt. It's good. Got a lamb shank wrapped into some flatbread. That's not bad at all. Got a little packet of this peach flavored barbecue sauce.